I be liking like them little hole in the wall restaurants, but like man, they got this somebody's house or something, man. Oh, this place is mad suspect, dude, man. No, what is this place, man? Alright, man, my uncle and I be getting food from here all the time though, man. I had the food from here before when they said it was from here and it was bomb, man. So like I ain't been here before, but like man, the food's supposed to be good, man. I swear, man, the food be on hit, man. Why they got a mattress just chilling back there like that, man? Don't worry about it, man. We just gonna order the food and get up out of here, man. They counters all dirty, man, and they got napkins from 15 different restaurants, man. This is suspect city. I mean, it's supposed to be good though, man. I swear the food that they told me from here was bomb, man. Just gotta, I promise, man. You trust it, man. Hey, what y'all want? Oh, our bad, man. We thought this was a Chinese restaurant, dog, man. Google must have sent us to the wrong place. Hey, we about to leave. No, man. This guy went Zhong the Feng Guar. Y'all in the right spot. Y'all got a menu someplace? Like what y'all? We got the rice plate with onions and the rice plate without onions. Which one you want? Let me get the rice plate without the onions. Hey, let me get one without the onions. Just a moment. Rice plate, no onions. Sure. Alright, one rice plate without the onions. No, man, where he come from? Y'all already in the kitchen. Where dude coming with the food already? That ain't possible, man. No. 我做饭很快. What'd he say? He said he cooked fast, man. What you complaining for? Here, take the food. Alright, it do smell good for real though. I don't know how it's hot, but like, ooh, oh, man. Oh, I'm finna come back. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Oh, I told you that food was finna be good. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's get up out of here. What's up, everybody? What's good? My name is EK. Welcome to What's Good English, the channel where I'm focused on slang, colloquialisms, and African American vernacular. So if you want to know how English is really spoken, you are in the right place. Today is going to be a bit of a quick episode, but it's going to be something that I love to talk about, which is slang. We're going to be focusing on two of my favorite slang words to use and showing you many different contextual examples so you can see exactly how to use them and exactly what they mean. I love how you can use slang to make what you want to say a little more impactful or comical, or really transmit your message a lot better with a slang word or two. But slang is also very useful in certain ways. For example, let's say you're walking down the street and you see a house that's really big. Now you can say that house is really big. You can say it's gigantic, enormous, it's very big. It's the biggest house you've ever seen. If that same house has a lot of windows, you can say, oh wow, that house has a lot of windows. It has very many windows. It has a large quantity of windows, but you cannot take the word big and use it to describe how many windows that house has, and you cannot take a lot or a large quantity and use it to describe the size of the house. You can say, oh, it's got a large quantity of square feet, or it's got a lot of square footage, but that's a whole lot of words there. And you can say that house has a big number of windows, but that just sounds crazy. But I can say that house is hella big, and I can also say that house has hella windows. That's going to be one of the words that we're looking at today. And the other thing I can say is that house is crazy big, or that house got crazy amount of windows. That's going to be the other word that we're looking at today. Hella and crazy, and all the little derivatives and synonyms of crazy. Those are two of the slang words that I use the absolute most in my regular vocabulary. So let's see how they work in just some regular real world examples. Look at all those shirts, man. You got like a stupid amount of Street Fighter shirts. I got like one. Dude, you got hella Street Fighter shirts, man. I got like one. You got crazy Street Fighter shirts, man. I got like one. This Street Fighter shirt city up in here, man. I got like one. I may have snuck one in there on you. I apologize. Let's briefly talk about the word city. City can be used to describe something that there is a lot of. For example, if your friend has a lot of comic books, you can say, oh man, it's comic book city in here when you go into his room and they're scattered everywhere. It can also be used to describe the degree of a situation. Like that earlier sketch when we started out the episode and I said suspect city because the degree of the intensity of that weirdness of that restaurant was a bit suspect. If there's somebody that looks a little bit scary, you can say, ooh, it's spooky city or something like that, or scary city, meaning that you're getting a very strong vibe of something and you just throw on city at the end of it to indicate the intensity of the situation. All right. Dude, Pablo Escobar got... Hold up, dude, he's got hella episodes, dude. I'm still scrolling. This is mad episodes, man. 74 episodes, man. Like, dude, I want to try to, practice Spanish, but man, 74 episodes, I ain't got time to be watching all that. So you saying 74 episodes is too much for you? Let me see your phone real quick. Ooh, what is this? Crunchyroll. Let's just take a look here. Oh, first series pops up. One Piece. Up next, season 13, episode 950. So 74 episodes of something that you said would actually help you out with something that you want to do is too much. But you done sat through 949 other episodes of something else that has nothing to do with what you actually want to do. That's what I'm getting, right? That's right. I mean, yeah, but I skipped like the filler episodes though. Oh, so you skipped like 200 out of 950 episodes? So you only watched like 750 episodes, which is still hella long, which is still a mad crazy long time to be watching one particular series. But 750 is okay, but like 74 that'll actually help you out with the Spanish, that's like too much. Now a few notes about hella and crazy. Crazy is more popular on the East Coast, so you'll hear those derivatives of crazy a lot more over there. Another thing with the little different synonyms for crazy, mad is the one that is the most versatile because the other synonyms of crazy can also be used to describe the way something looks. For example, if a house has crazy windows, I could be talking about the number of windows, or I could also be talking about the appearance of the windows. So you would need to say something like, yo, that house has like crazy windows, or yo, that house got like a crazy amount of windows. But if I say, yo, that house got mad windows, we know that I'm talking about the number of windows, because the windows aren't likely to be angry at me. Dang, man, your slice hella big compared to mine, dog. She must really like you. Dang, man, your slice crazy big compared to mine, dog. Look at that, dude. She must really like you. Hey, man, that slice she gave you stupid big, man. Look at mine. Oh, dude, she must really like you. What y'all got hella boxes up here like this for? Why y'all got mad boxes stacked up like this, though? Dude, that is a nutty pile of boxes, though. So let's talk about hella. Hella is actually an evolution of the phrase hell of a guy, hell of a lot of something. Hella can actually be used on its own. For example, let's say I was waiting in line for a long time to buy something and someone called me. I could say, hey man, I've been in this line for hella, which would carry the meaning that I've been in this line for a hell of a long time, or I've been in this line for hella long, or I've been in this line a long time. And the listener would instantly understand that without me having to say anything else beyond I've been in this line for hella. Hey, some more of that pizza left? Ooh, y'all still got hella. I'm gonna get another slice. Let's just check out this affiliate link and see how much do these cameras that people be using to make YouTube videos cost. What the dude? That costs hella. No, man. No, dude. Oh, wait, no. That's just the lens, dude. No, they don't even take the pictures, man. They don't even do the thing. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. That's going to do it for this episode. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the shorter format that I did for this. If you like that, if you think that's better. If you did enjoy the video, leave me a like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. And I'm launching a lot of content this month. I'm doing 3 videos a week so far. We'll see if I can keep it up. We're doing stuff about general language learning. We're still doing the English listening practice. We're still doing these episodes about grammar, slang, African American vernacular, everything like that. African American vernacular episode number 3 is on the way. It's being written right now. So stay locked, and I'm gonna try my best to keep you guys entertained and keep you guys educated and all that good stuff. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all in another episode in a few days. Ciao. What's up, everybody? There's one more thing I forgot to say, and that is a huge shout out and thank you to Bev from Cruz N Creations for creating the amazing art that you guys are about to see in my new ending screen. Thank you so much for doing that. I have links to her info in the description, so you can go to her site, buy some art from her. I think she might still be taking commissions. If she is, you can get some really cool commissioned artwork, make her famous, make her well paid, please. Anyway, thank you so much, and like I said, I will catch you guys in another episode shortly.